My name is Darren Gertis, and if you can give me 2 minutes, I can help you become a better instructor. So in this tutorial, we're going to talk about readopting books that you've already adopted for your classes from the bookstore. So let's go down to Bookstore from the CSU page, and we'll click on Bookstore. And once we're here, we click on Faculty Resources. And once we're here, we will click Adopt. Now, I don't assume that you remember how to do this. It's kind of like your password. You haven't done it in 6 months, so you may not remember exactly what you did 6 months ago. So it's very easy. Select the term, and we're going to go to spring, select the department, and we're going to collect, for me, it's business, and then we're going to select the course. And we click Select All. I want to use the same books that I used before. So I'm going to search history, and it'll show me all the classes I've taught before. So I'm looking for the last iteration of 607, view, edit, and let's see if all the books are here. A Tale of Three Kings, Elements of Style, APA Manual, Leadership and Self-Deception, Leadership Challenge, Steward Leader, and the Servant Leadership Training Course. Everything's here, so all I have to do is adopt. So I click on Readopt Materials. That's it. It's that simple. Everything is required. All my books are here. These classes have been readopted. Click Submit Order, and I'm done. And you'll see a confirmation. Thank you for submitting your adoption. We'll contact you if you have any questions. So that's all for now. If you're a CSU faculty member and you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to serve you.